Hey y'all, welcome to Mississippi Girl Life. I'm just a country Mississippi girl married to a New York City boy and a mom of three living in North Carolina.
All right, y'all. So we have made it back home. I think we're about to get something to eat before we get the packing and actually get on the road. So yeah, we're just gonna go and pick up something. We did get a rental for this trip. So yeah. Aronde vehicle is going into the shop to have something done for it. So this will be the perfect time to do that. And my car is small. Okay, y'all know I have a Nissan Sentra. It's small to have 5 people in there going on a going out of town or whatnot. So we just say we'll just get a rental, and it works out because if we do a rental almost every time we go up there, even though last time we didn't, we took our own vehicle last month when we went. So this month we did a rental, but the more rentals that you get where you actually pay, then you accumulate points, and then you can eventually start using some free rentals. Okay, so that works out. So yeah, so everybody's excited. We're gonna go ahead and grab something to eat.
Calm, just like a quiet prayer fills the room. Kisses like Sunday, fights like Friday night. And I'd go to hell and back just to hold her tight. She slips right through my hands and shows up like nothing's changed. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down. There's a storm in her blood, but I see heaven in her brown eyes. It kills me every time. She don't belong to anyone, but she's a little bit mine. Dancing like no one's watching, barefoot spinning round. A firecracker, 4th of July, she's moving at the speed of sound. She makes it look so easy as she walks away. Can't help but wonder what will make her stay. She slips right through my hands. Wonder if she'll ever change. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down. There's a storm in her blood, but I see heaven in her brown eyes. Oh, it kills me every time. Yeah, she don't belong to anyone. She's a little.
All right, honey buns. So we have made it to our hotel. So we are going in. We just got our stuff out the car. So yeah. Yes. All right. It's nice. It's real nice. So we are waiting on a elevator. Yeah. Okay. We in here. And up we go. Ooh, 3. Oh. Okay.
Oh, this is 3.
Yeah, this 3. That's all I am, and them making that sound then. Okay. and it stopped at 3. I'm like, wait, did it malfunction? Oh, somebody try. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay.
Thank you so much.
Into our room we are. Here, let's see. Okay, I can get the card out. Trying to film with one hand. Okay. All right. Not bad. Not bad. I don't think. Let's see the view. Nice view. All right, y'all. So we in our room. We got settled a little bit. Okay. Got settled a little bit. Whatnot. It's a big room. So normally we stay at Hampton Inns. Okay. They was booked. Because there's a lot going on, I guess, this weekend. So last month when we came up, they was booked. So we went to this place called Hyatt Place. Never again. No. No. So we had a different hotel, and it's one of the Cambriels here in Raleigh, and it's all right. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's all right. It's all right, but it ain't the Hampton. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to make sure I book like a couple of months in advance. Like this month, I go ahead and book for. Even though I try to come up here every month, I'm gonna try to start booking the Hampton like August, September for those, and then we just try to wing it or whatnot. But yeah, it's okay. It's better than last month where we was. So yeah, it also just depends on, I guess, the franchisee or whatnot and how they keep. I see a couple areas in here that we had to clean. Okay, so that's what I mean. But yeah, so we're excited. We all in and settled, and now we looking for food before we go to my uncle's place. Okay, give y'all a quick overview of the room. That's the front door. That's the door, and we already got the pull-out bed situated. Then we got, because this is where OJ will sleep. They going to get the cover and stuff. Then we got Kylie and Tatiana right here. It's a mirror here. And then when you go into this part, it's 2 queen beds. It's the queen beds in here. Tatiana and Kylie in one, and then me and the hubby over here on the other. And it's 2 TVs in here. That's a closet or whatnot. So yeah, it's nice. At least they got a microwave. Cause the Hyatt didn't have no microwave last month. Let me see. Yeah. They got a microwave. And this how I look up here. So yeah, it's nice. It's all right. It's all right. It'll do. Also, y'all, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Okay. The tub. Not too bad. I think that spot is like the paint come off the tub or something, but yeah, this is the bathroom. So a decent size bathroom. So can't beat that with a stick. That's an okay situation. This is another look-see. How it looks. Look at how this one, it turns and go down another whole hallway. because we're down this hallway. Yep, it's a big hotel. Okay, it's this way. Alright, so we're headed out. Oh boy. It is nice and warm. Nice and warm. The parking spaces are so tiny. So when people are parked on the side, oh my goodness. Okay. Whew. We in, y'all. We in. All right, y'all. So first we're going into this place called A Slice of New York Pizza. Okay. That's around the side. So, the kids wanted something from here. They got something here last time. So yeah, we're coming here to grab what they wanted. Excuse me. I'm guessing it's the line. So yeah, we're just waiting in line. They have so many different slices, but they like the beef patties from here. Okay, y'all, so now we are going in Alpaca because that's where me and Tatiana and Armando and my uncle is getting our food from Alpaca. Oh, and they are busy as usual. So this is what, I'm surprised music not going right now. They normally have music going. This type of stuff they have. It is so good. So this is how the sides look. Alright, y'all, so I done made it to my uncle's house and we got this from Alpaca. This is rice and beans, leg quarters, some plantains. I got that sponge cake, y'all. And honey bunnies. Compliment of my uncle. I got some bubbly. Yep, I had to hit him up for the bubbly, y'all. I had bought this story, but hey, this bubbly gonna be real good going down. Ooh, Lord. Alright, y'all. So everybody got their food and stuff. We eating good. All right.